Unlocking the secrets of simple coconut chutney. Uncover the magic of Indian cuisine with our easy coconut chutney recipe. A delightful blend of flavors that's quick to prepare. Start with grating fresh coconut. The fresh, creamy core is the heart of your chutney. Remember, freshness is key. Next, gather green chilies, ginger, and roasted gram. These ingredients bring the heat, spice, and depth. Roasting the gram amplifies its flavor. Grind all the ingredients together, adding water gradually. Aim for a smooth, creamy texture. This is your chutney base. The next step is tempering. Heat oil, sputter mustard seeds, and sauteed dried red chilies and curry leaves. This adds a divine aroma. Pour the tempering over the chutney base. Stir well. Your simple, delicious coconut chutney is ready. Authentic flavors in a matter of minutes. Serve with dosa, idli, or any snack of choice. Experience the joy of homemade Indian cuisine. Enjoy the taste journey.